For those that don't know me, my name is Katee Neltner. I am a local attorney. I'm licensed to practice law in Kentucky, West Virginia, and Ohio. I've been doing that since 2018. Currently, my practice involves representation of county entities, state police, correctional facilities, correctional officers, our teachers, our aides, and the list goes on. So the experience that I have translates well to this county attorney's race. Personally, I'm a mom. I'm a wife, I'm an attorney, and I'm a coach. Nothing that I do on this stage in this election as an attorney is ever going to rival what I do every day when I work with those youth and those young girls. I'm going to hit on 3 points. When you go second, you don't really have to explain a lot about the county attorney's office. A lot of people don't have personal experience with the county attorney's office. It's probably a little bit better for the general population if they don't. Anywhere from misdemeanors, traffic violations, which I'm sure no one in this room has, and child support, as was mentioned. And I'm going to tell you the 3 things that have come up in this campaign that have been explained to me, and 3 things that I intend to do. Number 1, support our law enforcement officers and our first responders. So number 1 would be law enforcement, increasing communication, ensuring that every case that is submitted is tracked, making sure that there's a record of every file that is submitted to the county attorney's office, not just the ones that are prosecuted, but the cases that are submitted, because each case that's submitted by law enforcement represents hours, days, weeks of a law enforcement officer's life dedicating to that evidence packet. So I want to make sure that we give that the reverence that's due and make sure that there's a tracking system to make sure that every case that comes through those doors is reported and make sure that we are taking care of that. Second would be accountability in the child support office. While not every issue that's in the child support office can be attributed to any one individual, it's government bureaucracy. However, there are instances where cases need to be audited. They need to make sure that the court orders that are in those cases, again, county attorney does not dictate the amount. However, they do have the responsibility to accurately enforce those child support orders. I intend on doing that, even if that means auditing the entirety of the caseload, which I understand is extensive. But I think that for those payors in Boyd County that are paying child support, that needs to be done for some accuracy and accountability. And I think for those that are receiving it, that needs to be done as well. And third is my life's goal of investing in our youth. So the issue of truancy, the issue of status offenses is rampant in our schools. Our administrators have acknowledged that. We're looking at a 33% chronic absenteeism rate in our high schools. And I think that anything that we can do, any support that the county attorney's office can offer our high schools, our administrators, they need to do that. We need to make sure that our kids are in schools, that our kids have a future, and that there's not a number on a page. So those are 3 quick little goals that I have. My table's over here if anyone would like to have a conversation. I'm willing. You can follow me on Facebook. My cell phone is available on there, and direct messages are open. So again, thank you to the GOP. Thank you for everyone for being here. I appreciate your time.